Alright, ladies and gents, today is the most laziest of all the lazy meals. We're going to use a slow cooker, cook some my Chino beef stew. All I'm going to do is drop the ingredients, drop the items into the slow cooker and let it cook for 8 hours. Nothing more. Alright, let's get started. Meat goes in first. Alright, meat's dumped in. I'm gonna add some water and chop up the meat a little bit. Make sure not to put too much water because I gotta put ingredients in here. Okay. Alright, meat is put in. Just use my hands and chop it all up a little bit. Now for adding the ingredients, I'm gonna chop the cabbage up first. Did the Bugs Bunny Lesam chop? So now I'm gonna cut this into thinner slices and I'm gonna put it right inside here. First batch ready, let's put it in. Just get these and just put it right in here like this. Second batch ready as well. So let's go. Gonna put some asparagus in here as well. Just to add a bit of flair. This got to be cut in little sections though. The ends were cut off first. Not gonna cook these. I'm just gonna cook these stems. These are always a little bit hard. It's okay for stir fried, but yeah. Okay, asparagus is ready. Goes in.